Welcome to today's webinar. My name is Elliot and I'm a solutions consultant at MI9 Retail, and I'll be your host today as we talk about the 5 strategies retailers need to consider in order to create a seamless physical and digital organization. So let's get started. First, we all know that retailers want happy, satisfied customers, but with today's connected consumer, it's a bit challenging. Customers don't just buy a product or a service, they buy an experience. If that experience is a bad, negative one, an excellent product or service will not make up for it. Customers want their interaction to be seamless. In an extremely competitive online marketplace where customers have endless options for making purchases, customer experience has become one of the main differentiators between retailers. Now, retailers that offer a seamless customer experience across all customer touchpoints are truly exceeding. So what is it that they're doing differently to make this happen? We know that customers want a consistent, cohesive experience across all brand assets that's user-friendly and thoughtfully designed. If a certain aspect of the customer experience is lacking, frustrating, or forgotten, you're going to lose your customers, and they'll tell their friends how disappointed they were in the process. Now, on the flip side, if the customer experience is a home run, you will attract new customers as your evangelists that gush over your amazing, seamless processes. The lesson here is a consistent, positive experience across all customer touchpoints is extremely important. You can't have an awesome website but then disappoint customers with a lackluster email or disjointed checkout process. These disrupt the customer experience and can hurt your bottom line. An intuitive, personalized, cross-channel customer experience can truly act as a major differentiator for operators. Retailers that can smartly manage the cross-channel experience can be more efficient, more productive, and ultimately more innovative than its competitors. The retailer that intelligently manages the customer experience can better anticipate the requirements, improve responsiveness, and provide a more personalized level of service. This is going to result in lower operational costs, increased customer loyalty, and higher profitability. It doesn't get much better than that. Now, the bottom line here is it's all about the customer journey. 3 things to remember are that an excellent customer experience must last the entire journey. Higher satisfaction leads to higher revenue growth, and journeys are significantly more strongly correlated with overall outcomes than our touch points. Customer service is a highly valuable customer touch point. A great service interaction leads to a happy customer who might then be willing to buy more in that specific moment. With the right application of analytics and customer centricity, retailers can implement service to sales capabilities with highly trained associates to capitalize on the right moments of truth with customers to enhance the relationship throughout their shopping journey. Now, the second strategy is to have a complete view of the customer at every step of that journey. Customer data is complicated. It lives everywhere and changes frequently. Creating a holistic view of the customer journey can be a challenge, even as the opportunities are obvious. A holistic marketer views the customer as a complete person, not just as a data point, coming from a particular platform, and builds an overall view of the customer's taste, demographics, and history when providing a unified experience on all channels. Now, integration of customer data across all customer touchpoints is key for achieving a holistic view of customers and responding appropriately at each interaction along their journey. Now, retailers that successfully integrate their customer data are able to better target, engage, sell, and satisfy prospects and customers. Today, many retailers are still struggling to optimize the cross-channel customer journey. Retailers need to empower line of business users with access to all information about the customer, with an eye on ROI, data quality, performance, and tools to boost efficiency. Customer data integration can provide all customer-facing employees with the relevant information they need to increase sales and enhance that customer journey. Now, promoting the brand through various channels can make it difficult to understand what's working for customers across channels, platforms, and devices. Another factor is other departments within the organization, such as sales and e-commerce, that also affect the buyer journey. If you don't know how other departments affect your customers' decisions to make purchases, then you can't claim to have a holistic view. Real-time analytics and system integration are the two key components to solving the challenge of creating actionable, relevant strategies for every shopper. It's about capitalizing on each shopper's motivation and interests. If she receives a promotion for a product she just purchased or for something she obviously has no interest in buying, she's going to jump ship and look for a brand that knows her preferences and responds to those preferences appropriately. Additionally, sales associates can be empowered to better brand advocates if they have access to real-time product and shopper updates via their mobile devices. Now, sales associates can save the sale or motivate upsells and cross-sells without ever leaving the shopper's side. Savvy retailers use customer data to their advantage to target customers with relevant and actionable messaging. Retailers must be prepared to deliver a personalized experience to shoppers. If your POS and e-commerce systems aren't providing in-depth analytics on your customers, inventory, and conversions, it's time to upgrade ASAP. Now, retailers should be able to know who they are serving and providing products for, how often those customers shop, whether online or in store, and have the ability to offer them relevant perks. These don't always need to be discounts, but could be alerts when top products are back in stock, or for an exclusive first look at new product launches. When a retailer wants to create a more personalized, cohesive follow-up experience for a customer who just made a purchase, they will find that an integration of their physical store, e-commerce store, CRM, and their email marketing platform is essential. By utilizing a seamless, unified commerce platform, retailers can send a highly relevant, personalized message that utilizes customer and purchase data for each individual customer, all while taking advantage of automation features via unique customer journeys. Now, strategy number 3, overcoming disparate data challenges. Now, in most organizations, different roles work in disconnected silos. For example, the customer care team may work on a website while the social media team runs the brand's Instagram channel. Now, if both receive customer inquiries from the same person about when an item will be back in stock, only one needs to reply. But if these systems are not connected, both teams will reach out, or perhaps even share competing for information if one has the update sooner than the other, and the brand will appear uncoordinated. Organizations should ensure that the technology used and the data collected by each department talk to each other. Retailers have to stay dynamic. Only those that keep up with shoppers' expectations can be successful. Shoppers want convenience, consistency, personalization, and value. By eliminating data silos, connecting disparate technologies, and mapping the customer journey across all touchpoints to do just this, retailers can successfully blend digital and physical experiences, encouraging customers to come back for more. So whether customers are physically walking the aisles or shopping on mobile devices, retailers can deliver exactly what shoppers need at the exact moment of their journey. Customers want one experience with a brand. They don't care about how many different departments are involved to make those experiences happen. Therefore, it's important to integrate disparate departments of physical and digital to deliver a streamlined experience that reflects how your customers see your brand. Now, strategy number 4, leveraging physical stores as distribution centers. If it isn't already offered, the in-store pickup option should be a given for any digital purchase. Not only is it convenient for the shopper, but it also increases in-store traffic and encourages additional purchases once the customer is in the store. In addition, by taking advantage of each store's inventory and local shipping options, integrating in-store inventory into the enterprise's digital supply chain is a way to extend merchandising operations and reduce shipping time and cost. Speaking of supply chain, that leads us to strategy number 5. Supercharging the supply chain. New tools, systems, and solutions, including the power of the cloud, create a truly seamless customer experience across digital retail and the brick-and-mortar store. The supply chain organization typically plays a secondary role to marketing and driving customer experience strategy, but things are changing. Forward-thinking organizations use supply chain data to identify customers' needs and drive better customer experiences. Sustainable, profitable, optimized omni-channel fulfillment starts with the engagement strategy. clarifying and refining the engagement model that aligns with the brand promise. Now, even though retailers are under pressure to quickly build customer engagement models that support shopping and shipping choices, they must understand which supply chain transformations make sense to their business and customers. A customer engagement strategy identifies who top customers are, how the retailer will engage with them across all touchpoints, and what success looks like. From there, the best retailers will engage in the pursuit of omni-channel profitability. As they do, they'll find that the ability of their supply chain will serve as a business catalyst that will help grow the business. So let's recap and look at the main takeaways from the 5 strategies presented to help retailers create a seamless physical and digital organization. Make it valuable. Customers value convenience and great customer service over all else. They yearn for seamlessness when it comes to brands, and you must know your audience so well that you can intuitively create the experience they need across all channels. Customers want the same customer experience both in the physical and digital world. You'll need to find a way to offer unprecedented value during their first experience with the company, whether it's online or off. Make every touch point memorable and impressive. Next, make it personal. Customers want great customer service no matter where they are in the customer journey. This will help keep your audience engaged throughout the experience, ensuring customer satisfaction and fostering a long-term relationship. Customers expect timely and personalized content, whether it's owned, earned, or shared media. The customer expects dynamic and provoking information from a brand. It's imperative to deliver the right message at the right time. 2019 will favor retailers who come up with smart, bold ways to personalize and elevate every aspect of the shopping journey. Now invest in technology. As a part of the effort to provide consumers with better experiences, retailers need to incorporate technology even further into their businesses to provide a holistic view of the customer and help eliminate departmental silos, providing one source of the truth and data. It's all about understanding the customer, product, and store attributes, and using this data to completely understand the customer journey and make it actionable by fully integrating these insights into the operational platform. Now implement a fully integrated system. This is the future for retail. Will involve an integrated ecosystem to ensure complete visibility and efficient supply chain management in order to deliver the right products at the right place and price no matter where or how the customer shops. Supply chain and inventory management sit at the core of unified commerce. While the typical customer interaction is with POS and e-commerce systems, retail businesses need to have the mechanisms to both take and feed data in real time to report on cost of goods, warehouse location, and how much stock there is on hand. Now let's take a look at how MI9 Retail can help retailers create a seamless physical and digital organization. It all starts with the MI9 Retail Operating System, an innovative and easy-to-use unified suite of solutions that shares a common architecture. The MI9 Retail Operating System enables retailers to automate and optimize their entire plan to sell process by breaking down silos and delivering one source of the truth of the customer, the product, the inventory, and the stores. MI9 corporate retail systems facilitate more accurate planning, master data management, allocation and replenishment, and our customer engagement and point of purchase systems boost revenue across digital and brick and mortar channels. These solutions are connected via an analytics framework that speeds time to insight with role-based dashboards, KPIs, and governed self-service data discovery. Now, the MI9 Retail Planning and Merchandise Management solutions enable retailers to easily determine where and how inventory should be positioned and leveraged with better accuracy and control to improve the omni-channel experience. Visibility to demand across channels not only improves fill rates, but also improves revenue by delivering a real-time inventory picture that allows associates to easily locate the right merchandise to complete the sale, as well as aiding in better decision-making on inventory management. Plus, users have visibility to true item-level profitability, which ensures that other business processes such as planning, allocation, and replenishment are accurately supported. Having the ability to manage all of the levers that impact margin allows users to be able to have a clear picture of what challenges and opportunities lie ahead. Now, the MI9 retail forecasting, allocation, and replenishment solutions are going to help optimize stock throughout the supply chain, improve distribution accuracy, and automatically adjust to demand shifts through the life of products at the channel and location level. This ensures the right merchandise is at the right place at the right time, no matter where or when the customer shops. The solutions deliver accurate forecasts that lead to better inventory positioning and a host of value drivers. MI9 Retail is the only retail solution provider to offer CRM plus clienteling developed together from the ground up. The MI9 Retail clienteling solution provides access to real-time inventory lookup to save the sale and enables store associates to personalize customer interactions throughout the shopping journey by leveraging real-time omni-channel data for a holistic view of customers' behaviors, preferences, and profile. The MI9 Retail CRM solution enables the corporate marketing team to influence customers in personalized ways by delivering engaging customer experiences that foster brand loyalty. With analytics from across channels that help evaluate specific segment behaviors, the corporate team can easily identify meaningful customer clusters based on shopping behavior and create programs designed to deliver lift in the customer spend. With tools that leverage digital mediums, the team can generate targeted campaigns that can immediately respond to customer behavior and further enhance that customer journey. Also, our price management solution enables users to control and automate the complete lifecycle pricing of products from initial price to price adjustments and markdowns through to the end of life. Prices can be created at any level of the product hierarchy with a complete view of the current inventory, price elasticity, and product rate of sale. And lastly, with the right merchandise in the right place, it's time to influence the customer to buy with successful campaigns, events, and promotions using our centralized promotion management suite that acts as the system of record for promotions across all channels, whether that's online or at the store. Now that you have laid the groundwork by getting the right product to the right place at the right price, it's time to sell. Let's start with our e-commerce platform that allows your team to tailor the shopping experience for your customers with personalized offers based on user history and preferences, to manage creative promotions, private sales, and coupons in-store and online, to manage inventory, customer profiles, and orders in one place, and manage product reviews, social selling, loyalty programs, and wish lists without third-party plugins. Our POS solution is a complete solution for efficient retail store operations with fully integrated clienteling, order, and inventory management. Your sales associates will enjoy delivering a smooth transaction experience with a range of capabilities. Plus, the integrated lookbook shows product availability across channels, along with alternatives and recommendations that will help enhance the sale. Last but not least, our fully integrated OMS system completes the full omni-channel selling capabilities by turning your physical stores into distribution centers. Your team will be able to manage orders across all channels with our lightweight order management system. The solution works with our merchandise management ERP system to get the new products, inventory values, prices, and locations, and then utilizes our e-commerce solution to send web orders, payments, and refunds to our POS system. We make it easy for your team to know how best to fulfill orders with our fulfillment management solution that sits at the heart of the order management system solution, which is comprised of three basic elements: the ATP, or available to promise, which represents the available stock at current; the order broker, which acts as a message broker among all order sources; and the fulfillment optimizer, or routing engine, that optimizes the product shipments across one or multiple locations. At MI9 Retail, we believe that great retail experiences take place when an optimized product planning and inventory management intersect perfectly with skillful customer engagement and point-of-purchase execution. The results are better revenue and margin performance, greater customer engagement and value, and a more satisfied, loyal workforce. MI9 Retail is helping retailers create the next level of customer service with more personalized interactions supported by machine learning, analytics, and the cloud. The MI9 Retail Operating System delivers an end-to-end platform that offers all the capabilities that retailers need to create a seamless and physical and digital organization. This concludes our webinar for today. Please feel free to contact us with any questions or for more information on how MI9 Retail can help your organization seamlessly blend the physical and digital channels to improve the customer experience and help drive traffic, increase sales, and improve gross margin.